Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Ahviworld. Today I'm going to show us how to make a chicken comb fascinator. Can you see it on me? Wow, it's looking like a cockscomb. You can call it a cockscomb as well. This is beautiful. Let's get started. Here are the things we will need. I have my bias strip, then a buckram cap, popularly called bishop cap, a veil net, my needle and thread, UHU glue, and my millinery wire. I'm simply going to take the measurement of the millinery wire right away. So I will take 49 inches for this. 49 inches, then I will cut it out and join it together. If you don't know how to join it, kindly check the link below on our previous video on how to do it. Now you can see that I'm using sellotape to wrap it up, as against the way we usually use thread. You can use anyone, you can use sellotape, you can use thread, all you will have the same result. Here is it. I went a step ahead to also wrap it with my net. Then I place it inside the wire net like this, the veil net. Then I'll simply fold this place like this, or bend here. Can you see that? To give it this kind of shape. I will squeeze it more or fold it more to give it that sharp edge. You can see that one side is looking curved and the other side is looking sharp like a triangle. So I will simply pull the net to this end. Make sure that the net gets to the end of this place that is curved. Then I'll place my hand on top of it and start gathering the net like this. I'll gather it, make sure it's smooth till I go around and everything is in my palm. So ensure that you pull it, you keep pulling and arranging and adjusting till everything is okay. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit or turn on the notification bell in front of the subscribe button so that you can always get notified anytime we upload videos like this, because we always upload creative videos every Mondays and Thursday. So stay tuned for more videos. And if you are an old member, you are welcome back, and don't forget to like and share this video. To our new members, remember, you're not paying for subscribing. Don't be scared that you'll be charged for subscribing. Remember, you can only subscribe once in your lifetime. It's not something you do every day, every month, or every year. It's once in your lifetime, unless you change your email. So feel free to subscribe, and God bless you. Thereafter, I'll tie it here like this, very tight. Make sure it's firm. While tying, you can still adjust. You can see I will just knot it here like this. Then I will take my boning. This is the boning. I am using 2 yards, so I'm simply going to wrap it up like this. I added some glue at the tip of the bias, so I'll simply start going around like this, turning it like this. I won't add other glue again till I get to the end, because as far as I added glue at the beginning, I will just keep turning it like this. I don't need to waste more glue on it. You can see that I finished wrapping it up, so I will simply cut a little bias here and share it into two like this, so I can use it to tie it up. You can as well use thread depending on what you have available at the moment, so I decided to use that. So first of all, I will try to arrange it like this. I will fold it, make sure that you have even space among them. You can see that. Ensure that no space is bigger than the other, as in it shouldn't be too obvious. So I will just arrange it like this. You can see that the last one is not forming very well, so I will start from the beginning again and start adjusting till I have exactly equal spaces among them all. Can you see that? Thereafter, I will just add some glue at this very point here in each of the lines where they are joining together, so that it will give me a kind of a clue on where to start tying when I will start tying it, so I will not mix them up. So thereafter, I will just hold the first two together like this and tie it. You can tie everything once, but I choose to do it like this so that I won't have to stress myself holding all together at the same time. So I will tie 2 So as I finish tying this particular one, I will knot it here like this. Then place the next one again like this. You can see that very place I added some glue. I will hold it like this at this very point and tie again. So I'll continue this process till I finish with the rings.
This is Ahviworld. Ahviworld. This is Ahviworld. This is Ahviworld. Ahviworld.
Here is it. I'm done with it. So I'll simply go ahead right now and cut 2 inches wide net, and of any length you want, depending on how full you want it to be, to make a ruffles that I will use to place for the where I added the boning. So I'll start stitching, or just picking it from the middle. Can you see that it must have equal space? So it means I'm taking it from the middle like this. I'll just keep passing and passing and passing till I get to the end of the net. So I'll have something like this kind of ruffles. So I'll just pull it together, start arranging and pulling till it comes together and it's firm. Then I'll go ahead and trace or look for the beginning where I started it, and simply pass my needle through that beginning and stitch it right there to form a kind of circle like this. Can you see that?
This is Ahviworld.
I went a step ahead to stitch the broken cap to the net like this. I didn't stitch this other side. Can you see that? Only stitch these 2 parts is enough, since I'm not going to cut the under. So I will simply stitch or attach the boning to the this very part here. I will sew it. You know that this thing is hard, so all you need to do is just to pass your needle through the side of the boning. That's that bias that you attach, so that way it will be easy for you to stitch. I'll add this ruffle to this very part, that place where I tied the boning. So I will also use my needle and thread to stitch it. First of all, I will add some glue at the back side of it, then place it on that front part and stitch together. Then from there I will add feathers and whatever design I also have to add. add this ruffle to this very parts where I have the triangle sides or the place leading to that and cone shape sides here. I'll place it like this. If you want to learn how to make this kind of ruffle, kindly check the link below to learn it. Then I'll add some feathers and whatever designs I want extra. Then I will simply go ahead and cut 14 inches elastic. I'm using elastic for this particular fascinator. I'm not going to use hairband. I want something a little bit different that can be framed on the hair, you know. So I'll just join the two tips together and stitch it. Then that very part I stitched, I will simply place it at these points where I have this shape here, right here. Then stitch it together with the net there. I'll stitch it, make sure it's firm. Then after here, I will also extend it to the ends of this cap. Can you see that? That's what I was trying to explain actually. So I extended it to this place so that it can be balanced on the hair. So I'll just stitch it like this and knot it there.
This is Ahviworld. This is Ahviworld.
I'm going to cover this very part up with this my bias strip. So I'll add some glue on the elastic down there, then also add some glue on the bias itself and cover only this down part. I'm not covering the whole elastic because I actually wanted it to be remain black, since our hair is black. So when you wear it, no one will actually see it. It will just match with your hair or rhyme with the color of your hair. So I'll just cover this down part, and that is all. Our fascinator is ready. Can you see that? Can you see that cockscomb shape coming out? Wow, this is amazing. Is it not lovely? Please do well to subscribe to this channel so that you can be getting more creative videos like this from us. Also click on this bell icon in front of the subscribe button so that you can always get notification anytime we upload videos like this. Can you see it? Wow, see the cockscomb shape. Wow, this is so lovely. I'm loving this. I'm loving this. Stay tuned for more videos because our next video is going to be the bomb. I remain Ahviworld. Bye.